create your own shitcoin in 23 seconds or less. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can create your own shitcoin in less than 23 seconds. But before we begin, make sure you hit the subscribe and also press the bell icon. Now, let's begin. Innovation and creativity are two qualities I admire in cryptocurrency and blockchain projects. In fact, they are rolled into the DNA of our crypto community. Money talks. However, not every innovation is positive. As we all know, everyone involved in cryptocurrency needs to be on their guard at all times. Scams, rug pulls, pump and dump schemes, and valueless shitcoins are all examples of harmful innovation. Just one day after digital artist Johnny Shankman posted his speedrun video showing how to create a new hashtag meme coin from scratch, that time was broken. Another Twitter user posted a video showing they had created a token in less than 23 seconds. But never mind. In this video, I'm going to show you, by example, how you can make your own shitcoin in a few seconds. Introducing the Chatcoin. Revolutionizing conversational currency, Chatcoin is an innovative cryptocurrency designed to enhance the world of communication and empower individuals to monetize their conversations. With lightning-fast transactions and a user-friendly platform, Chatcoin aims to revolutionize the way we interact, engage, and transact online. Here's a breakdown of the key features of Chatcoin. 1. Speed and efficiency. Powered by a state-of-the-art blockchain, Chatcoin ensures near instantaneous transactions, allowing users to send and receive funds seamlessly. No more waiting for confirmations or delays in payment processing. Chatcoin is all about speed and efficiency. 2. Secure and private. Chatcoin employs robust encryption and advanced privacy protocols, ensuring that your conversations and transactions remain confidential. Your privacy is our top priority, and we strive to provide a secure environment for all users. 3. Monetizing conversations. With Chatcoin, you can monetize your conversations like never before. Imagine getting rewarded for providing valuable information, engaging in meaningful discussions, or offering expert advice. Chatcoin empowers content creators, influencers, and experts to earn Chatcoins based on the value they provide to the community. 4. Decentralized governance. Chatcoin operates on a decentralized governance model, giving every user a say in their development and direction of the platform. Holders of Chatcoin can participate in community votes to shape the future of the ecosystem, ensuring a fair and inclusive decision-making process. 5. Seamless integration. Chatcoin is designed to integrate seamlessly with existing messaging platforms, social media networks, and communication tools. Whether you are using chat apps, forums, or social media platforms, you can easily send and receive Chatcoins within the ecosystem. 6. Rewards and incentives. Active participants in the Chatcoin ecosystems are eligible for various rewards and incentives. By staking your Chatcoins, you can earn additional tokens through a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Additionally, engaging in conversations and contributing valuable content can earn you reputation points, which can be converted into Chatcoins. 7. Community-driven marketplace. Chatcoin fosters a vibrant and engaging marketplace where users can exchange goods, services, and digital assets. From exclusive content and virtual goods to personalized experiences and professional services, the Chatcoin marketplace offers endless possibilities. 8. Scalability. The Chatcoin blockchain is built to scale, ensuring that it can handle a high volume of transactions without compromising performance. As the user base expands, the network adapts, enabling seamless growth and uninterrupted user experiences. The possibilities with Chatcoin are endless. Whether you're an avid communicator, a content creator, or an entrepreneur looking to tap into the conversational economy, Chatcoin opens up new opportunities for monetization, collaboration, and engagement. Please note that this shitcoin is purely fictional and should not be interpreted as investment advice. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and investing in any digital asset carries risk. Always do thorough research and consult with financial professionals before making any investment decisions. Remember to stay updated with the latest news and developments regarding Chatcoin on our official website and social media channels. Join the conversation today and be a part of the future of communication and finance with Chatcoin. So with this, we came to an end of our video. Also make sure to hit the subscribe and like button. We will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and thank you for watching.